Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City. Daily FX market news.
December 27th, 11 o'clock America, New York. Top 3 FX themes for 2023. USD, JPY, Euro. It was a big year for FX markets as the US dollar jumped for the first 3 quarters of 2022 only to snap back with aggression in Q4. What's in store for 2023?
BBC News Business.
December 27, 10:51 America, New York. Shaw's The Drapers enters liquidation after 106 years. About 150 staff are believed to be affected after they were told by email the company will close.
BBC News Business.
December 27, 10:35 America, New York. Train strikes. Disruption to continue into the new year. Strikes this week include staff from customer service, safety and timetabling at 3 companies.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. December 27, 10 o'clock America, New York. Oil and gas companies seek ESG loans. Firms offer securities tied to decarbonization objectives as they seek new investors.
New York Times Business.
December 27, 9:49 America, New York. Ukraine's battered economy leaves it more reliant on foreign aid. Unable to roll over debt accumulated before the war, Ukraine has paid investors more than it has collected this year, the central bank says. Ukraine's economy was projected to shrink about 40% this year, with agriculture and other crucial sectors starkly affected by Russia's invasion.
New York Times Business.
December 27, 9:49 America, New York. Ukraine's battered economy leaves it more reliant on foreign aid. Unable to roll over debt accumulated before the war, Ukraine has paid investors more than it has collected this year, the central bank says. Ukraine's economy was projected to shrink about 40% this year, with agriculture and other crucial sectors starkly affected by Russia's invasion.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
December 27, 9:21 America, New York. Home prices fell in October for 4th straight month. Higher mortgage interest rates continue to weigh on home buying demand, bringing an end to a pandemic-driven housing boom. Home prices slid 0.5% in October.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
December 27, 9 o'clock America, New York. Pandemic learning loss could cost students $70,000 in lifetime earnings. A new study by a Stanford University economist projects the losses could total $28 trillion over the rest of this century.
Global economy.
December 27, 7:58 America, New York. Jamie Oliver urges UK to use sugar tax to fund free school meals. Celebrity chef uses spot as guest editor of Radio 4's Today to highlight dangers of food poverty.
Marginal Revolution. December 27, 7:25 America, New York. Top Mr. Posts of 2022. Here are the top Mr. Posts by views from 2022. Biggest post was Tyler's one. Classical liberalism versus the new right, followed up by 2 posts by me on Biden's student loan plan.
New York Times Business.
December 27, 5:46 America, New York. Thousands of canceled flights upend travel plans across U.S. Most of the disruption was on Southwest Airlines, which had called off more than 60% of its flights by Tuesday morning. Travelers searched through mountains of luggage at the baggage claim at Midway Airport in Chicago on Monday.
Marginal Revolution. December 27, 0:24 America, New York. How happy are Americans, and Danes, anyway? That is the topic of my latest Bloomberg column. Here is one excerpt. 2 economists, David G. Blanchflower of Dartmouth and Alex Bryson of University College London, have come up with a new and more intuitive way to measure well-being. Global economy.
December 27, 0:20 America, New York. First FT. China to scrap inbound traveler quarantine. Plus, UK shoppers return to Boxing Day sales in New York. Snowstorm death toll rises.
Global economy.
December 27, 0:10 America, New York. Money Clinic Podcast. What's your financial New Year resolution? Experts pass on financial planning tips for the year ahead.
BBC News Business.
December 26, 2003 America, New York. Train strikes. Services expected to start later as latest walkout ends. Passengers are being urged to check travel times as rail workers finish their latest walkout.
Marginal Revolution. December 26, 1350 America, New York. They deserve at least a pass for this one. In fall 2014, Wellesley College began mandating pass-fail grading for courses taken by first-year, first-semester students, although instructors continue to record letter grades.
The Library of Economics and Liberty.
December 26, 1010 America, New York. One of these monetary expansions is not like the other. In March 2009, with the British economy in freefall, the Bank of England under Chairman Mervyn King embarked on a program of quantitative easing, QE, where the bank would print money and use it to buy assets from financial institutions whose balance sheets had been ravaged by the collapse of mortgage-backed securities.